Hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Lynn.
Okay, how old are you, Lynn?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, good. So this is your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, so let's go to part one. So let's talk about weekends. Hmm. What's your favorite day at the weekend?
I my favorite day is Saturday
Saturday. Why?
because in that day I can go to the market with my mom.
Oh, really? Good. So where are you going next weekend?
I w- I will I'm going to the park with my brothers to play tennis.
Good. What do the people in your family like doing at the weekend?
My mom likes go shopping. My dad likes like going like go to the cafeteria. My brother like to go outside with his friends.
Okay, good. So can you tell me something about weekend that you enjoy? Or what is your hobby at the weekend days?
I just I just want to stay at home and draw.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you. So now let's move to part two. Here is your paper. This is mine. Okay. Now, I don't know anything about Mrs. Sarah Green. Okay, but you do. So now I have some questions for you about her. So, can you tell me how old is she?
She is 45 years old.
45 years old. Good. So, what is her job?
She is a doctor.
She's a doctor. Good. So, where does she live?
She lives in 25 School Road.
Okay. So, what are her hobbies?
She's she's like playing golf and going to cinema.
Okay, that's good. So, how many children does she have?
She have 3 children.
Three children. Okay. So now let's talk about Mr. John Green. Okay. Now you don't know anything about this man, but I do. So can you give me some questions?
Yes. How old is Mr. John Green?
He is 52.
Where does he live?
He lives in 40 Lake Road.
What his hobbies?
Mm, he likes fishing and painting.
How many children does he have?
He doesn't have any children.
Yeah. Where does he live?
He lives at 40 Lake Road.
What's his job?
He is a businessman. Okay, that's good. Thank you. So now let's move to part three. Okay, so let's talk about food.
Yeah.
What food do you usually eat for lunch?
I I usually I usually use rice and fish for lunch.
Good. Do you like things that taste sweet?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, really? So, do you think you eat too much sugar?
Yes.
Yes. How much sugar do you eat every day?
Very much.
Very much? Really? Okay. So, what do you think is a healthy diet?
I think a healthy diet must have vegetable,
And,
meat.
and meat. Okay. So, what should children do to have a healthy life?
They they must eat much vegetable and less sugar.
Less sugar. Okay, thank you. So now let's talk about language. Where do you study English?
I study English at school, and I usually go to my my extra class to improve my English skills.
Okay, thank you. How often do you speak English?
When I go to my extra class and when I talk to
Your teachers or your friends?
no,
No. Okay, good. So how many other languages can you speak?
I just Vietnamese and English.
Okay, Vietnamese and English. Good. So can you tell me something about the good way that you learn English?
Read more English book.
Oh, reading more English book. Okay, that's a good way too. Okay, thank you. So now let's move to part 4. I am going to give you a cue card with a question. Okay, then you have 1 minute to read the cue card and prepare for your answer. Then at the end of 1 minute, I'd like to let you know and ask you to speak up to 2 minutes. Okay? Okay, now Link, this is your cue card.
Yes.
Okay, you can take notes. Okay, it's time to speak. Okay, you have 2 minutes.
In past summer, I have lost my family's photos. I lost it when I go outside and when I go to my room, I can't see the photos. I were I was worried and I I went to find it.
Could you find it?
Yes, I I find I saw it in the bookshelf in my bedroom.
How did you feel when you found it?
I felt happy
Why?
because I can't find my family's photos.
So is it important to you?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you. So this is the end of your test.
Yeah.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.